How to fix Hamster Kombat unable to get account info. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you a few ways on how you can fix the problem you're facing related to your account info. So the first thing that you have to make sure is to check your internet connection, because you have to ensure that you have a stable enough internet connection to run this application, and sometimes the connectivity issue can cause problems with retrieving your account information. And once you do that, the second thing is to verify your login details. So you have to double check that you're entering your correct username and password, because oftentimes typos can lead to the authentication errors. So you just have to verify your login details are correct. And the third thing is you have to make sure to update the app. So just go to your app store or wherever you have downloaded this from and make sure to fix the problem by updating the app, because sometimes small or minor bugs can be fixed by updating the app. Now, all you have to do is clear cache and cookies, because sometimes the junk files and cache files will lead to this temporary issue, so you can clean them to fix the problem. And finally, you can disable any kind of VPN or proxy, because if you're using VPN or any kind of proxy, you can try disabling it, because sometimes these can interfere with the app's ability to connect to the server. So after doing that, your problem should be fixed and you should be able to get your account info on your Hamster Kombat. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.